How to open UFB Direct High Yield Savings Account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for UFB Direct High Yield Saving Accounts, sign up. Well, scroll down and tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to this site. Click on Accept. Now tap on Open an Account. It will ask you if you want to add a UFB Freedom checking account. If you want to, then tap on I'll take both. It will be landing you on this page. Now, in order to create an account, firstly, you have to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and then enter your mobile number. Once you have entered all the information, tap on this checkbox. After that, create a username for your account and also create a password. Once done, tap on Start Application. After that, follow the on-screen process and then your account will be created successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can open UFB High Yield Direct Saving Account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.